Viewers and subscribers, I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect your DJI Mic Mini to your DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. So with no further ado, let's get right into it. So this right here is your little DJI Mic Mini storage. It's also used for charging and keeping the DJI transmitter and the receivers charged. So what we got inside here is two transmitters and a receiver, as we all know, and the USB-C to get it actually connected to your drone. So let's get right into it. We're going to grab the USB-C. We have the receiver right here with this little clip on the bottom. You're going to take it out. The arrow shows you guys how it's actually installed. So there's an arrow that's showing you on this right here, a white arrow, and there's a orange arrow on the DJI, on the USB-C adapter right here. So let's go ahead and get it connected. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and turn your RC2 controller on by pressing once, twice, hold. Now it's powered on. Well, it's powering on. Let's go ahead and see. All right, so it's fully powered on. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and connect the receiver right here. So in regards to connecting the receiver, the USB-C to USB-C right here, go ahead, plug it up, and after it's plugged up, what you want to do is, so as you guys can see right here, this light right here, some kind of neon type light, shows that the actual transmitters right now are in stereo mode, which I actually like, recording in stereo mode when I use the DJI, Mic Mini, because, it separates both transmitter from each other. So, both of them record independently, and that's a great thing. But also, if you want to, record in mono mode, what you could do is press the link button right here twice, and if you notice, the light changes right here. So now it is in mono mode. But as I said, I like shooting in, I like recording in, the stereo mode where both of them record independently. So I would just go ahead and push the link button again twice, and there you go, right back in stereo mode. Now in regards to doing getting this connected to be able to use your mics with the drone, what you want to do, you want to go ahead, pull down, and then you want to hit screen record. The screen record won't show up right there. If this is in your way you could just go ahead and move it out. And as you can see again now too, the mics, as you take them out the pouch right here, it doesn't happen all the time, but they were connected automatically. These two lights right here also indicates that they are connected. These two lights on here shows that they are connected. So you got mic 1 and mic 2. And another cool feature about the DJI Mic Mini, doing your screen recording on your DJI controller, you could use the power button, and once you press the power button right here once, it put the mic into noise cancellation. So you could go ahead and use your noise cancellation depending on the surrounding that you're in. If it's very noisy, you could go ahead and use your mic itself to put it in noise cancellation. In order to take it out of noise cancellation, you go ahead and do the same thing by pushing it once. So that's another great feature about doing your screen recording on your DJI RC2 controller. So yeah, so with the screen recording right here now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop the screen recording. And I think the screen recording should be saved somewhere. Let me see. So screen view screen recording right there. Screen record won't show up right there. You know, so if this is in your way, you could just go ahead and move audio it out recording off of the screen recording. You know, okay, yeah. So that was kind of confusing right there because the screen recording was talking while I was talking. But what I want to do, I might want to do also too, is go ahead, do a little flight, get the flight on, screen recording also too, so you guys could see, what the video quality look like with the audio quality of the screen recording. But for now, that's how you go ahead and connect your DJI Mic Mini to your RC2 controller for screen recording when you're flying your drone. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is just basically, a small flight just for you guys to hear the audio quality of the DJI mic. And see, it's looking at the home point right now. That's where I'm at. You go ahead and switch back the camera, from vertical to horizontal if you want a wider a wider view. But that's basically that's what it is when you're screen recording. So I hope that was enough for you guys. So guys, we're gonna show you how to calibrate your RC2 controller for your DJI Mini 4 Pro. So right now I'm doing a screen recording. I'm using the DJI Mic Mini so you guys could also hear the audio. So what you want to do to calibrate your controller, you want to tap on the right hand corner. There's 3 dots right there, so you're going to tap on those 3 dots. You see where you see safety, controller, camera, transmission, and about. You want to click on control. It's already on control. So you want to scroll down to where you see RC calibration. Click on that right there. Click on start RC calibration. And what you want to do is follow the those icons that they have on the screen. So what you want to do, up, down, across, probably want to do it a couple of times just to make sure. Then for the camera thing back here, for the one that you use to zoom the camera, or the one that you use to also do the to flip the camera for for vertical shooting, vertical shots and stuff like that, you want to move those to the sides also, up, down, with the opposite and that's how you calibrate your DJI controller. Pretty quick and easy.